Yo, life is beautiful. Hello, good morning and namaste everyone. Today I'm gonna share how I spend my some day off in Qatar, as I'm very passionate about cooking and eating. So I'm gonna share some recipe with you guys. Be with me for a while and enjoy it. This video especially dedicated to our yo-yo group. We got a beautiful group in TikTok. We call it yo-yo group. Dedication to you guys. Yo-yo!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
finally ready to eat, guys. I cooked 3 items today. Looks really delicious. No doubt. It's amazing as usual. I cook very delicious, guys. This is kind of chicken manchurian. This is my own version. Number Wahid. And now the fried rice. I love the way I cook, you know. It's really, really delicious. That's the reason my tummy is getting bigger day by day. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another video. Till then, sayonara. Bye bye. Life is beautiful, guys. Keep smiling.